What's up, everyone? Everywhere we look, we seem to see anger. Anger's everywhere. But regardless of how much anger permeates the entire world, the only place where you actually have any control or say so over the anger you experience is in your own mind. And we know that anger can be crippling. There was once a man who went to a guru and he said, "You got to help me with my temper. Please help me with my temper." So the guru said to him, "Well, just hand me your temper and I'll take care of it." Angry man said, "But my temper's not a thing." And the guru said, "So your temper is nothing. So what's the issue?" You see, even though anger doesn't seem to be tangible, it certainly can have tangible effects on us, very real effects on us. And let me ask you this, throughout your entire life, your education, when along the way, did you ever learn how to deal with the intensity that is anger? We know we master what we practice. And if we're going to experience obstacles, if we prepare for those obstacles, we have a much better chance to encounter them in the most effective way possible. But again, when were we ever trained on how to handle anger? Well, I partnered with the Himalaya learning audio platform to bring you an audio program on anger that is concise, it is extraordinarily impactful, and I promise you I give some of the most beneficial information around anger management that you will ever find. So go to Himalaya.com/anger and type in the promo code ANGER, ANGER, to get your first 14 days free. What I have found throughout my entire career is this. After working more than 20 years and seeing people all over the world, from working with celebrities on television shows, to working with some of the best athletes in the world, to working with people who are incarcerated in solitary confinement of maximum security prisons in some of the darkest moments of their lives, to working with everyday people, I have come to the profound realization that life boils down to two kinds of people. There are people who have issues and dead people. So if you're alive, you have issues, but that's okay, so do I. We all do. In this audio course, I'm gonna help you with hands-on practical strategies on how to handle those issues, specifically anger management. It's titled Real World Anger Management for a reason. If you followed my teachings at all, you know that I describe the difference between what I call the cartoon world, which is our world of shoulds. People should think, feel, believe, or behave the way I want them to, and then the real world, how people actually think, feel, believe, and behave. As long as we expect the world to fall into the confines of our cartoon world, we're going to be let down when we experience the real world. And as wonderful, as logical, reasonable, compassionate as our cartoon worlds are, and I say our cartoon worlds because I have one too, as wonderful as they are, the reality is that it's not the real world. So I want to help you prepare for the anger, for the obstacles that you're going to encounter in the real world. And that's why we call it real world anger management. So again, check it out. I promise you this is a powerful, powerful course. In fact, I not only wish you much peace in this course, but I actually lay out how you can find it. Again, go to Himalaya.com/anger and type in that promo code ANGER to get your first 14 days free. Himalaya has a ton of profound programs. Until next time, as always, I wish you much peace.